Glatstein I love very, very much. Um, by way of example, he's probably the Yiddish poet who moves me like the most, not the only one. I was thinking why I hesitated a second ago, because I was thinking too in about how, like, for Glatstein, for example, in one of his poems, he talks about how we made God in our image. You know, the pink verkeerd, the way you usually think about it. And it struck me, I imagined like God as a Jew, but a Jew the way we used to like think of what's a Jew. And I remember being very moved. That was something else, that when I first saw Yehosha's Tanakh, you know, the Bible in Jewish, all of a sudden the Bible in Yiddish, see, all of a sudden the Bible, that's funny, the Bible in Jewish. We think of it as the Jewish Bible, but I guess for me it became real when I saw it in Yiddish. And I start, you know, in Breishis, right at the beginning, I start to imagine God as like a Jew, as a Jew. You know, so he's saying, if I can only remember it, like, in Unheb hat Gott beschaffen dem Himmel in die Erde. In die Erde gewinn Wisten leidig. In Finsternis gewinn auf dem Gesicht von Tahom. In der Geist von Gott hat geschwebt, auf dem Gesicht von die Wasseren. Hat Gott gesagt, soll werden Licht, und sie geworden Licht. Und Gott hat gesehen das Licht, dass es geht. Und Gott hat voneinander gescheidet zwischen dem Licht und zwischen der Finsternis. In das Licht hat Gott geriefen Tag. In der Finsternis hat Gott geriefen Nacht. Es gewinnt Abend, es gewinnt Frühmorgen, ein Tag. And this is kind of like, in a way, like, to me, it's kind of like a Yiddish God, like the way I see it, because like how God would, all right, so God said, okay, so let there be light already. You know, okay, let there be light. You want light, so there'll be light, you know? Not the way, like, people either think of God as this kind of like, you know, he's gonna, you know, get out of his way, or like watch it, and not, or not as something else either, like as a small, still voice, but as a Jew who talk, you know, he's in our image. We make him in our image, so to speak.